Hello everyone, I'm Yash Desai from Garage Door Marketing Pros, and in this video I'll be showcasing you why your garage door business website must have a blog section in it. Before we dig deeper, let me introduce you to a no-brainer deal we are currently running. If you're a garage door business owner and looking to grow and scale, then you will be pleased to know that we are currently offering a 1-month free SEO campaign for your business. There's no catch or no contract attached to it. It's simple, and only if you like and if you're happy with the results that we achieve in the first month, you could proceed with your SEO campaign at a very reasonable rate that we will discuss, obviously, in our first meeting. Sounds good? I'll leave a Calendly link in the description that will ask you all the details we need to get started, and then it will automatically book an onboarding call with me where I will try to know more about your business and exactly know the needs and problems of your business. Okay? Sounds good? Take the action right now, because we have really limited quantity for this deal. Okay, now let's directly jump into our video. So the very first thing is what makes blogs so important for a garage door company websites. The very first thing it does is it really helps in boosting the search engine ranking of your primary page, or you can call it your money page. Okay, for instance, you're targeting garage door repair Bakersfield, and you have some good blog posts on garage door repair, its costs, knowledge about materials used and all that. Then Google will trust you more than your competitors, as it will consider you as an expert and will reward you by boosting your rank of your service or your money page. For those of you who don't know what service page is, it's the page which actually showcases service you are selling. For instance, garage door repair or garage door installation service in XYZ city, you have some pages like this. It would be your service page. Okay, now here's an example to it. Okay, look at the rankings of this particular website, which is obviously based in which is a garage door business website from Bakersfield. Okay, so check this website. Okay, this website is ranking pretty good. It has, it's getting a lot of traffic from Google. Why this website is ranking on the top of Google, even though they don't really have more backlinks than their competitors. Okay, let me showcase you why. They have a lot of blog posts on them, and those are really informative blog posts, which is helping them be an expert in this niche. Okay, now let's come to another point or reward you get by having a blog on your website. A blog like this. Okay, when I say a blog post, I don't mean a garbage with an image and with 200 words. That's not really a helpful blog post. When I say a good high quality website, I do mean a high quality blog post. I mean, a topic that people often search and a topic in which people really want and need help. Okay, now let's come to another reward you get by having blog on your website. It's influx of more leads. When you have a relevant and informative blog post on your website with good SEO, it will rank on Google. Okay, and eventually it will bring traffic to your website. Now, not all the traffic is gonna be your localized traffic, obviously, but even if you consider 1% traffic gets converted and you are getting just 1,000 visitors a month, it comes down to 10 customers every single month just by having a blog. And remember, this is not the combined customers you're getting. It's just a small part of customers you will get from your website. Okay, it's just gonna give you an additional customers other than the ones coming from your service pages. So these two are the most important reasons why you must have a blog section on your garage door website. If you are the one who don't really know how to do SEO and how to get leads consistently from Google, contact me via the link below, and our garage door exclusive agency will handle all the marketing for your business. And as I said in the very beginning, we are running an no-brainer deal. So if you're a garage door business owner, make sure to take the action right now, because this offer will be ending very, very soon. Okay, so yeah, this was all about this video. I thought of creating this video very short and concise to the point. So I hope you like this video and you got some value from it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more garage door marketing tips. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next video.